Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log in Paxful account. Paxful is online platform for buying, selling, trading digital currencies. To log into Paxful account, you need to first open your Paxful application on your mobile phone. Now here you can see Welcome to Paxful. On the top you can see two options. One is create account and another is log in. To log into your Paxful account, tap on login option. Then here you'll be taken to login page. Now to log in with your mail address, you need to first enter your email address that you have used to create your Paxful account. After this, enter the correct password of your account on the given box. If you don't have your Paxful account, tap on New on Paxful Create Account option. With this, if you want to log in with your phone number, tap on Login with your phone number and continue with the further process. If you don't remember your password, tap on Forgot Password option. After entering all your login credentials, tap on Login. With this, now here you need to go through process of intelligent verification. For this, here you need to scroll the given circle so that you can solve the puzzle. Here you need to make sure that the given puzzle is in right place. After this, your verification will be completed. Now here you can set the PIN so that you can unlock the application. You can enter the PIN that you want. After this, you need to re-enter your PIN for quick access. After you do so, now here you'll be taken to your home. With this, you'll be able to log into your Paxful account. Now when you tap on account option on down right corner, here you'll be able to see that you have been logged into your account. Here you can see that my Paxful account has been logged in. This is how we can log in Paxful account. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.